3 stars.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what's next?
Then she'll go slow. Know where I want her to go?
Where?
On the front.
Okay. And why on the front?
Yeah.
Why?
And you know what?
Mm-hmm.
I'll get the polar bear to go at the end. Are you okay with that?
Sure.
Oops. Oops. Oops.
And so how many points?
And if I'll pick the rabbit. I'll pick the cat to go in 100.
Okay.
And then we all act like a cat.
Okay.
Is this slow?
That's low, yeah.
Now I pick cat! Here's the cat.
Mm-hmm.
And I want her to go I want her to go normal.
Normal.
How do you spell normal?
N.
N or no?
That's right. O.
O or
R.
no?
That's right.
R.
R. M.
M for no?
No, like M, like mommy. A.
A.
And L.
O. No. And I want her to go end.
And? Okay.
Yeah, go to end. So that means she gets 100 points. And oh, get up, Daddy! Get up, get up! It's time to do the cat sound. Meow, meow, meow.
Yeah, well, that's right. So Bella, did you come up with this game?
Yep.
How did you come up with this game?
I just think about it, and yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's a really nice game.
Is it fair?
Yeah.